Namaste everyone. Holi is a spring festival to say goodbye to winters. In some parts, the celebrations are also associated with spring harvest. Holi celebrations start on the night before Holi with a Holika Dahan. Hello children, what is the matter? Nobody on the swings? No one running around today?
Just a week of Holi and we can't enjoy it.
How we all used to love preparing for this colorful festival. No colors, no water balloons this time.
My mom says colors are not safe.
My dad says not to throw water balloons.
We will miss all the excitement.
How I wish we could play Holi this time also.
It is so colorful and playing with water is so exciting. That is why we are sad. No fun this time.
I thoughtfully returned home. The children's sad faces were playing on my mind. I wanted to do something to make them happy. Next evening, I called the children and we all sat down on the grass. Now, children, I want us all to plan for a favorite festival, although differently. But we will all work to make it as fun as every year.
Yay! Fun! Thank you, Didi. Let's start planning. Tell us the details. Can't wait. This is going to be fun.
So children, first of all, 3 of us will go to the market and we will buy lots of flowers of all the colors.
Oh, sounds so beautiful. What will we do with them?
We will separate the petals according to the colors.
Wow. But that will take a lot of time.
Yes, we all will do it together.
Wow, this will be fun sitting together and separating the flower petals. What will we put all petals in?
For this, you all need to get old baskets from your home, big, small, any size. And we have to arrange for some exciting food for Holi party on that day.
I will ask my mother to make veg sandwiches and I will help her to make them.
I will get some cheese and chutney sandwiches.
Hi, I can ask my mom to make batata varas. My mom makes the best noodles and I will ask her to make them. I will get a huge cake as my father has a bakery shop. I will get jalebis as my father has a mithai shop. I will get some cookies, popcorn and wafers. Where will we have this party?
I wanted to keep this as a surprise, but it is too exciting and I want to share it with you right now. This morning, I met the committee members of the society and they have given permission to use the back garden where they are also making a water body for you all to enjoy Holi.
Wow, it will be so much fun.
Yay! Can't wait for Holi this time.
Everyone was excited and setting everything from arranging the tables and chairs and snacks to decorating the pond with flowers and setting up the music. On the day of Holi, all the children started coming down laughing and shouting with joy. They rushed to the garden and gathered around the pool. The music was playing full blast and they started dancing to the beat. 2 of the mothers had also come down to help with the celebration. One by one, all the children jumped into the water. There were baskets of colorful petals all around the pool, from which the children started picking handfuls and throwing at each other. They jumped and splashed around singing songs at the top of their voices. Then they started filling their water guns and pitchkaris with water and sprayed at each other. After they were done with playing in the pool, they got out and started filling their baskets and buckets with water and throwing on each other. By this time, they were hungry to eat, and they gorged on the delicious snacks in the midst of music and laughter. It was late in the afternoon by this time, and I told them they all needed to go back home and change into dry clothes. It made me very happy to see that the children thoroughly enjoyed playing Holi.
Thank you, Didi. We enjoyed so much.
This is the best Holi I've celebrated.
Yes, it was so much fun playing and dancing.
We have never played Holi like this before. This was so beautiful.
Before returning, I turned to look at the colorful pool with the beautiful flowers filling the garden with their fragrance as if spreading the message of happiness and joy. Namaste.